Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to today's tutorial on Python tutorials for beginner series. So in today's episode we'll be learning all about commenting. Okay, so what is commenting and why do you actually need it? Commenting is actually writing some lines in your code that are not affecting the code in any way and cannot be executed in any way. It's just kind of like a way of writing a reminder for yourself, because sometimes you can actually write code and then after a while you come back and take a look at the code. You actually don't know how it works, or you just don't know why you wrote it or what it does. Okay, so at some points we want to leave reminders, so whenever you come back to that piece of code, when you take a look at it, you are like, okay, so this is what it does. Okay, and commenting also helps in case you want to share your code with other developers. They can actually understand your code better if it has comments in them. Okay, and sometimes some coders or developers, in fact many developers, they actually write their names or whatever in the code that they've written as of crediting themselves. Okay, so we're going to be learning two types. We're going to be learning two ways of commenting. Okay, the first one is called the the block commenting. Okay, so the block commenting. So the block commenting, this starts in a new line. Okay, so whenever you are actually writing your comment in a new line, it's called a block comment. And you have to notice here, right? I start with this hash mark. Okay, this hashtag mark. So that's what defines a comment in Python. And after the hash mark, you actually leave a line before starting to write your comment. Okay, so you don't go like this, like just saying block comment. This will serve as a comment, but it actually is a way that is not prescribed the PEP 8. PEP 8 being the Python enhancement proposal. Okay, so this is actually meant to make your code much more understandable to you and other developers. So it's a way of making your code look cleaner and better. Okay, so if I were to reformat this, you see right here there is a space that's left between this sign and our comment right here. Okay, so that is the block comment. So the second type of comment that we learn, this is the inline comment. Okay, so what does the inline comment do? So the inline comment is actually put in front of a piece of code that you've written. Okay, so what you do is, like, after a code, like say right here, print num. Okay, after here I skip two spaces, 1, 2. Okay, so then I'll actually do the same. So this is an inline comment. Okay, so the rule is skip two lines after your code right here, skip two spaces, 1, 2, then put in the hash, then skip a space again, then write in your comment. So if I were to be more specific, so let's say this prints out the value of the num variable. Okay, this actually prints out the value of the num variable. Okay, so that's probably the type of commenting that you learn. Okay, so I think that should be it for commenting. So commenting is really very important. It is a skill that you need to master. Okay, because if you're going to interact with other coders, other developers, you have to be in a way that you can actually interact and communicate with them in a language that both of you can understand. And commenting is without doubt a very important skill that's being used to date. So until next time, don't forget to hit the likes button if you enjoyed the video, or subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new videos. And until next time, stay safe.